Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create this before and after wipe transition in Premiere Pro. So let's get on with it. Now in Premiere Pro first we've got two videos. The first one is before and the second one is after. Then grab the after video and place it one track above, so the before video will be under it. Now move the cursor at the middle of the clips or wherever you like the transition to begin. Hit C for the razor tool and cut both videos. After that, delete the second part of the first video, go track above and grab the second part of the second video and place it to the first track. Then once again go to the second video and delete the first part of it. And now is the easy part of this tutorial. Go to effects and type wipe. Go down and find the wipe transition. Drag it and place it at the middle between the first and the second video. Then select the transition and go to the effects control panel. From there you're gonna find out border width, which you're gonna increase to 14 or whatever width you like. And then from border color you can change it to whatever color you like. Also, if you want to make the transition shorter, you can select it and drag it to the left so you can make the transition quicker. And the opposite, if you want to make the transition slower, you can select it again and drag it to the right. And that's it guys, that's how you can create this before and after wipe transition in Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel where you can find hundreds of videos about Premiere Pro, Photoshop and After Effects. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.